Big red 2013 Chevy Silverado 5.3. We're doing our tune-up. After we noticed our plugs were how bad, you guys had, I'm sure you guys caught last video already. Now I want to cover the valve cover. In the next video, I'll cover the coils and the spark plug wires. But this is the reason I replace the valve covers. I don't like reusing valve covers, especially if the vehicle has over 100,000 miles on it. And I'm going to show you the old one to explain why this is so important. Let's take a look at the new one first. All right, guys, so here's the new one. These are 8mm bolts, 4 of them, that hold this in place. Also, you have a breather tube back there that is connected to a built-in PCV valve that goes to the upper side of the intake. Let's move over and take a look at our valve cover. Here's our valve cover. So we have rubber grommets underneath each one of these, and we have, well, it's going to go in there in a little bit, but we have a seal that goes all the way around the outside of this. This is why I change the valve covers. This is a built-in PCV valve system, and this fills with debris. Debris that you can't clean out. Now, you can try hot tanking it. You'll get a good portion of it out, but you won't get it perfectly clean. You could drill this out, clean it out, and attempt to put this back in, but if this tray falls down, it will land on top of the lifters or the rocker arms, and it will destroy the engine. This isn't worth the risk of trying to take this off and damaging the engine. So I don't mess with it. For the cost of these valve covers, it's not worth trying to clean these. Pro tip here, guys. When you're replacing this, let's say you're going to reuse this, and you buy the seal, and I hate kits that come with just that outer seal because they don't reseal properly and they leak because these grommets is what holds the pressure. You have to replace these grommets anytime you change the valve cover. It needs new grommets and a new seal to hold tight. Now, that being said, I come back over here to show you another reason why I changed this. That valve cover is only held in the center by those 4 bolts. Time and stress stresses the aluminum and can cause it to leak on old valve covers. Not worth the risk, better to replace, and that way you know you don't have a leak. I knew I had a leak in this upper corner by how much buildup I was seeing around here. I probably had a little bit of seepage here, and I definitely had leaking up here running down. That's why when you're doing a full tune-up like this and you're taking your coils off anyway because you're changing the coils and you're changing the wires, it's better to just change that valve cover. So I did this on another project that you guys saw on the channel here. We did it on the, I believe, the 2017 Tahoe. That Tahoe, we put valve covers on it, we put coils in it, we put wires in it, we put plugs in it. And all in all, it was a great project. It actually turned out perfect and did not have any leaks and won't for another 100,000 miles. If we just reseal the old valve covers, we could potentially have a leak within a few thousand miles. The old valve covers tend to warp, tend to have problems. They hold on to debris. They're not worth saving. So if you guys are doing your tune-up and you guys are doing a project like this, take the time to pull this all apart. Start from a fresh base. If you're pulling the coils anyway, now's the time to do the valve cover gasket. Don't skip that part. Most people will skip over it, just change the coils, the wires, and the plugs, and they won't do the valve covers. Valve covers leak, and it's easier to fix them when you have everything off of the top of them anyway. Guys, I want to say thank you for all the support. We're really growing. I really appreciate everything that has been going on lately with the channel and the growth that we've had. and it's because of you guys. So, guys, thank you for your support. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Ring that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.